Hey everyone, so we're going to do a dirty pour on a 16 by 20 using the new Arteza paints that I got. This will be my third review and probably my final. They give you a great selection of colors. There's 24 in this pack, everything from white to cold gray. Let me see if you can see that. So there's some pretty cool colors in there. And they tell you if they're transparent or opaque too, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to do a mixture of paints. These colors here on my right will be mixed with black, and these colors here on my left will be mixed with white. And I'll be using three I think these are 12-ounce cups, not positive. And we are just going to be pouring and blending colors. So this cup will be these colors here, this cup will be these colors here, and this cup will be a mix of both colors, but not all of them. So I'm going to set that cup aside for a minute and get these sprayed with the WD-40 silicone spray. Okay, so I'm going to start with this selection here, and I'm going to start with white. Okay, a little bit more in there. So I'm going to be pouring up high. I want these colors to blend in together. And I want to fill the cup. These all have silicone in them. The first video I did, the two colors that were in the Dixie cups did not have silicone in them. And I still got cells, so the Floetrol I'm sure played a part in that. So, let me grab a paper towel. I guess I should tell you what colors these are, huh? So we have Prussian blue, emerald green. This is pale green mixed with yellow to make a lime green. Cerulean blue, and this was phthalo blue. Actually, I don't want to put that on there. It'll dent the canvas. So this one we're going to start with black. I know you guys are probably cringing looking at these colors. I am too. I'm just hoping we don't get too much green from that yellow and black. Let's see, I'll do the red again. And the yellow ochre. Okay, we set those aside. Now this cup is going to be interesting. So in this cup, I'm going to start with black. Might as well use it up. And I'm going to follow that with the lime green. I'm going to run out of places to set stuff already, I can tell. And then we'll do the phthalo blue, so I can use that one up. This is going to be our complementary cup to blend those two cups together. And I will go ahead and put the red in. Maybe we can get some purple from that. If I put a little Prussian blue on top of that, it might help along. Okay, and then I'm going to add some, let me add some white. And then I'll add the yellow. What a mess. Okay, there. And the cerulean blue. I'm not going to need this much paint, but we'll see. You never know. And I think I'll go ahead and add the ochre. And the emerald green and the orange will be set aside. I love that emerald green because it's so minty looking, but I don't have any complementary colors to put aside here, and I don't want to add more white. Or do I? No, I don't. I could add the orange. Let me add the orange. Since the ochre is right there. Just a little bit. Okay. So I want to give every one of these cups a little stir. Just a swirl. Probably have mud in that cup. But I want to start with this cup, I think. Okay. Put that one there. It's full. It's full. There. Get you guys in frame. Okay. Hello, yellow. The ochre and the black and the yellow and the black can produce a muddy and this little bit of greenish tinge, which is fine. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Now, I want to be very careful how I do this. I want to think I'll come this way. Too. Set that cup on the side. There's not much in that. Oh, the inside of that cup is kind of cool. Looks like fire. Fire. I just want to get these to touch in the middle there. Okay. All right. So now we have this mess. I'm going to start up here so I can run off a little bit. And I'm going to bring this here and some here. Let that be my corner. too. What a blend of colors, huh? They're not unicorn poop colors, so that's good. Oops, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a torch now that I got paint all over my torch. I just cleaned it. Just popping some air bubbles. Okay. So I can already see here that I'm not liking that blend of colors, so I'm going to probably be able to tip that part off, but I have to get this filled in first. And there's enough paint on here for me to do that. So what I'm trying to do now is get my paint to the middle. The weight of the paint, I should say. Bring it back just a little bit. I don't want to get any zigzags. It's going to be bright. It's going to be pretty. Even the runoff is pretty. I'll pull some skins off of that. Okay. So I did manage to keep a little bit of that, which is kind of cool. My finger was stuck to the tape. Let me flip it around so I can move it a little bit more. All my sides are covered, so I'm good there. I'm just rocking the canvas to get rid of a little bit of that orange in the corner. There. Now I can bring it back. The colors are very vibrant. I can say that about Arteza. The pigments are great. Alright, so I have this dark spot here. Let me see if I can get some cells to come through that before I tilt some more. Because they're trying to. I'm about 6 inches from the canvas, just heating up the paint. Nope. A little bit. Where you want cells, you don't get them. And a little bit coming up there. I like that little spot right here. I think that's all we're going to get. I'm going to move that just a little bit. fuss with it. So now I'm going to get the zigzag here. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to leave it alone. It's going to be very bright when it dries. It's going to be interesting. So if you're interested in trying the Arteza products, I have a link below in the comment box that takes you directly to Arteza, and you will receive 10% off your order. I am an affiliate for them, and I'm reviewing their products, so I'll get a small stipend if you order anything. But I enjoyed working with these paints. They were absolutely fun. I'm probably going to order some of their pouches so I can pick the colors that I use the most. This is pretty. It's coming up. But yeah, give them a try, guys. I mean, the 24 pack, the tubes are small, and you get to try all the colors that way. You're not just limiting yourself to a few colors. So this way you can see what you can make with them blended together. I just gave this a shot just to see what would happen mixing all of those colors that I had mixed up. And I'm happy with this. It'll probably pop some more cells up within the next hour and make it a little more interesting. So give it a try. Subscribe while you're here. Click on the bell and get notified when I upload the next video. Leave a comment. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys on the next one. I won't be using the Arteza on the next video, so just so you know, this is the last review. So I have 2 other reviews. Check them out. And go ahead and check out their website. Prices are great. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.